Are you running Facebook ads for your business but just not getting a result? Perhaps you're a small business owner, a coach or consultant running Facebook ads to get more sales and leads, and all you're seeing is your empty wallet going out of pocket. Well, look, I would love you to stop your ads so that I can show you how to run profitable ads that like the way we do for our business, our agency, for our clients. So if you are a business owner, you're a coach or a consultant looking to get more sales and leads using Facebook ads, then I would love to invite you to this upcoming workshop where a small group of us will be learning Facebook ads. This workshop, there'll be 5 tickets that are free, so click somewhere on this video to get access to these free tickets. Click somewhere on this video right now to get access to these free tickets. I'll be showing you how to use Facebook ads and Instagram to get more profitable leads for your business. So again, there are 5 tickets left for free. Click somewhere on this video to get access to these tickets, and I'll see you at the workshop.